Hey everyone, so I have a message. Say that you see a lot of synchronicities, angel numbers, things like that. So, just to let you all know, just know that, things are coming. But the more frequently you see it, especially like if it's like a lot in the day and a lot during that week, and it's just constant, and they all kind of mean like similar things, the same thing, they just mean that that thing is coming very quickly, very soon, and like it's like near the tip, pretty much, like it's like right there. So just know that your guys are letting you know that whatever it is coming very quickly. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Bye, Bobo.